Hi darlings, welcome back. Thanks for joining me for today's video. I feel as though this channel is a little bit of a representation of economic times. You know that they say that when economic times are tough, we buy lipsticks. Well, I think when the world gets tough, I go shopping in Zara. I did this at the beginning of the year when I was in a bit of a low place, let's say. And now that the world is, oh my god, I mean, it's absolutely crazy and obviously very disturbing what is happening with coronavirus. If you're watching this in the future, right now is the middle, or at least I hope it's the middle of the coronavirus pandemic. Things are a little bit scary. 2 days ago was my last day for a little while going into central London. I had a few meetings on Oxford Street or around Oxford Street. It was really weirdly quiet. Zara was pretty much empty. I was doing everything I could to protect myself, hand sanitizing spray, I was wearing gloves so that I was trying to avoid touching my face, getting taxis instead of getting the tube, things like that. But yeah, really weird. It is a very scary time. Please just, I hope that everyone is staying as safe as possible, keeping yourself safe and keeping everyone around you safe as well. Obviously, I'm not a medical professional, so I'm not here to give you tips, but I'm here to provide you with a little bit of light relief because we all need a little bit of escape sometimes, so what better to do so than with a Zara haul. So I have picked up some really lovely pieces for spring. Hopefully the travel bans will be lifted before too long and we can wear these beautiful pieces in sunnier climates. But anyway, without further ado, if you are new here, please do subscribe. My name is Josie. I create usually 3 videos a week based on style, fashion, lifestyle, beauty, that kind of thing. You can also find me on Instagram, on TikTok. That's where I post my daily outfit videos. I also have a weekly newsletter, which if you like bargains and discount codes, that you will definitely want to sign up to. This week we had 20% off Elemis, we had a way of getting a free sheet mask from Space NK, we had 10 credits to get a weekly cleaner, free gym classes, free taxis, you name it. That and loads of other fun stuff is in my weekly newsletter. And of course, I'd love it if you subscribe to my YouTube channel, which you've already found. So anyway, the only other thing to say before I get started is that everything in this video, from, I'm going to try and find my lamp actually, because I get a lot of questions about my little feathery lamp, to my jewellery and my dress, which is really a really nice kind of summer dress. It is linen, you've got this little bow around the waist. You might be able to guess that it's linen by the fact that it is quite creased, but I actually don't mind that look. Everything that you need will be linked in the description box down below. Okay, let's get started. So in my previous Zara haul videos, I've always said that I go to the Duke of York Square Zara, which is in Chelsea, just off the King's Road, because that is a tier 1 store, which means they usually have the best stuff. These are from a tier 2 store. I got these from the Zara kind of towards Tottenham Court Road. It's quite a good one, and they did have some really nice pieces. I tried to vlog in the store, but as soon as I got my camera out, the security guard bounded over and told me that no filming was allowed in the store, so thought I would bring these to you in a haul instead. So yeah, this was gonna be a come shopping with me. The first thing, and I feel like it really goes with what I'm wearing now, is this gorgeous little bag. So if you've been on my channel since last summer, you will know that I am a huge fan of straw bags and pearls, and this of course ticks both of those boxes. It's also got a really lovely lining, so it's actually got a totally removable silk lining, which is great if you're going to take your things to the beach, because the fact that it's drawstring means it will keep everything nice and secure. But if you feel like you don't need it, obviously you can use the bag without. But if you've got technology with you, like your camera, then you're probably going to want to use the lining. Straw bags can really vary in cost, but I think this for £39.99 was a pretty good price considering the detail. Obviously you have got these beautiful pearl handles. There's even a crossbody strap, so if you did want to wear this hands-free, then you can, which is fantastic. As well as straw bags, something else that I buy far too many of, case in point, is white dresses, but I just absolutely love the simplicity of this one. It is something that I know I get so much wear out of in my spring and summer wardrobe, so in my eyes this is something that I'm going to get really good price per wear out of and multiple uses. I know there's such a debate about affordable fashion such as Zara, but I think if you genuinely think you're going to wear something loads and loads of times, it doesn't matter that it's inexpensive. It's far better to buy inexpensive pieces that you're going to wear a lot of rather than cheap things which are low quality, fast fashion that you're going to wear 1 or 2 times and then never reach for again. That is bad. But buying inexpensive pieces that you're going to wear a lot, that is good. Sorry, that sounded really patronising. I know you guys already know that. So design detail wise, this has got slightly puffy sleeves, nothing too exaggerated, and then it goes down into a tiered kind of skirt. A really beautiful, easy to wear and simple design. It's also a classic piece to have in your wardrobe. I know I say this quite frequently, but I tend to gravitate towards classic things that I can reach for in 5-10 years time. There's nothing particularly on trend about this. It really is a wardrobe staple. So definitely something worthy of spending your hard-earned money on. Next we have an accessory. This is the most beautiful pair of earrings. Here is a little close-up. They are fairly large, medium to large sized hoop earrings, and you can see they have almost like a pearly shell detail to them. If you watched my video on spring trends or 2020 trends, bit of a mouthful, you'll know that hoop earrings are a really big trend this year. These, I feel like they look so much more expensive than they actually were. I paid £9.99 for these. They definitely feel like they could be a midsummer, as does this actually. This was less than £40. This is a really good price, and also I think it looks like a much higher price point. But yeah, I think Zara are really good for that kind of cool girl, beachy vibes. Looks expensive, but it's actually not. But yeah, these just tick so many boxes for me, and because they are affordable, you don't need to be too precious about them. If you're going on holiday, you can wear them in the sea, you can wear them on the beach, literally wear them throughout your entire holiday and not have to worry about having something really expensive in your ear that might get damaged or lost and things like that. This next dress is absolutely gorgeous. I feel like it looks like it could be self-portrait, could be Zimmermann, it could even be Isabel Marant or Chloe. Gosh, what have I done to my hair? Depending on how you style it, I think all of these things can be made to look so expensive. It is all in the styling. In fact, I will show you in the try-on clips how I would style all of these pieces to give them a little bit more of an expensive look to them. Zara always have really good dupes, and often I think a dupe can easily be mistaken for the real thing if you look like the rest of your outfit has that luxury look to it. So, you know, you've got nicely polished nails, you've got your hair done in a nice way, you're wearing lovely elegant jewellery. I do have a quite old video on how to look expensive or how to look classy. I'll leave that linked up on the screen here. And I think that if you follow those tips, you can style really affordable high street pieces such as this, and someone would think that you are wearing a Valentino dress instead of a Zara dress. Not that that's the be all and end all, of course, but I do like to look elegant and classy. It's funny, I think that word is the opposite of what it means. I think if you call yourself classy, you are anything but. Anyway, I'm digressing. This dress has the most beautiful fabric. I really hope they bring this out as a skirt. I will probably also style this with a knit over the top just so that you can see the skirt coming out the bottom, because I love this. It's like a tulle material with, don't know if you can see there, polka dots, which I think just makes it look so lovely. A little bit sheer at the top with a ruffle around the neckline, and then the tiers go all the way down. So beautiful. It's styled with a western belt, which is what made me think of Isabel Marant or Chloe vibes. Pair these with Chloe Susanna boots, or kind of cowboy boots if you want to get that look. This would have been a great dress for Coachella had that not been postponed, oh my goodness. But it is quite long, so great for summer parties. Obviously you don't wear it to a wedding, but yeah, lots of lovely spring summer events. As I said, you could style this while it's a little bit chillier with a nice knit and show off the skirt underneath, but then in summer with a straw bag or with a really lovely clutch bag, this is just going to be an absolute winner, and under £50 as well. So good. And then finally we have, no surprises here, another white dress. I have to say there were loads of beautiful white dresses in Zara at the moment. I again thought this one looked a little bit Zimmermann-ish. If you are new here, I am obsessed with Zimmermann. I do have a few Zimmermann pieces in my collection, but whenever I see something that has a Zimmermann vibe to it, like this dress, I'll put a picture or a video clip on the screen. This is a high street dress. I think it is £69 or something along those lines. Looks so much like Zimmermann. It's going to sell out really quickly, so I'll leave this dress linked down below as well. But anyway, back to this one. Another fabric kind that I love is Broderie anglaise. I think that's the first time I've said Broderie anglaise this year. You wait. If you're going to stick around for my spring content, you're going to be seeing me styling a lot of Broderie anglaise items. So here's a little close-up of the fabric. You've got shirt style cuffs down at the bottom, and then it is pretty short in length. You could wear this as like a tunic over some leggings, but I personally probably will style it with bare legs. Again, cowboy boots could look really nice, some flat sandals, something like this I think is so easy to style, especially if you have got a bit of a tan. I've been using Vita Liberata's new fabulous invisible tan mist lately. It is insane. It has given me the most gorgeous dark colour. If you're thinking my legs look really brown in the try-on clips, it is not from our recent holiday because I was packing on the factor 50 and actually came back from that holiday paler than when I started, but it is the Vita Liberata tanning mist. So again, I'll leave that link down below as well because it's amazing and super hydrating. I think it's got hyaluronic acid in the formula, so that really is fab. So yeah, another fabulous dress from Zara. I'm so happy that they finally have their spring pieces in store. Cannot wait to see what else they have coming up soon. Although having said that, I probably will be just sticking to their website for a while because I think central London is not where I want to be right now. So darlings, that's the end of my haul. I really hope you enjoyed looking through these pieces with me. I hope you maybe picked something up from the try-on clips. I hope that I've given you some inspiration and provided a little bit of light relief from the very depressing time that the world is going through right now. As I said at the beginning, please, darlings, look after yourselves. I hope I have been able to lighten up your day in some way. But anyway, darlings, that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you very soon in the next one. Bye.